Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening a new Google Sheet and naming it for the period, expenses 2025, for example. Once done, add essential columns, date, category, description, amount, payment type, notes, and freeze the header row so it stays visible. Make sure to set the amount column to your preferred currency format and time zone. For speed, create a few common category entries as a drop-down using data validation. This reduces errors and makes later analysis consistent. You enter each expense row by row, selecting category and payment type from the drop-downs you created, which enforces consistency. Once done, paste or link receipt images in the notes column so you can verify entries later. Make sure dates follow one format, such as YIMMDD, and that amount values are positive numbers. This avoids errors in formulas. For recurring items, duplicate the row and update the date. Also, add a short description to help when you review months later. You finish by building a pivot table or using SUMIFs to summarize spending by category and month. This gives a clear snapshot of where money goes. Once done, apply conditional formatting to flag unusually high amounts, duplicates, or missing fields so issues stand out. Make sure to protect key formula ranges to prevent accidental edits. If totals don't match bank records, check for negative values, hidden rows, or incorrect ranges in formulas. Correcting those usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.